Good evening, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. In this video, again, we are going to continue the integration by using trigonometric identities, which will be asked in the Part B, question number 28 or 29 for 2 marks. So let us evaluate integration of tan square x. We don't have any formula of integration of tan square x, but we know that tan square x can be converted in terms of the sec square x minus 1. By using that identity, see here, tan square x is sec square x minus 1 dx. Tan square x can be written sec square x minus 1. In the same way, it is also tan square x, instead of x, what is here? 2x minus 1, that is sec square 2x minus 1 minus 1 dx. It is also same, last one also same, integration of sec square 3x plus 1 minus 1 dx. Instead of x here, 2x minus 1 is there. Instead of x here, 3x plus 1 is there. Yes. Now separate this term and integrate. Integration of sec square x dx. Sec square x dx minus integration of 1 into dx. 1 into dx is what? Dx. Integration of sec square x is what? Tan x. Minus integration of dx is what? X plus c. So this is the answer. Now this one is also same. Separate this term and this term. Integration of sec square 2x minus 1 dx minus 1 into dx is what? Dx. Integration of sec square is what? Tan x, tan 2x minus 1. What is the coefficient of x here? 2 divided by 2. In the previous problem, there is no coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is there what? 2 divided by what? 2 minus integration of dx is what? X plus c. And separate this also same. Integration of sec square 3x plus 1 dx minus 1 into dx is what? Dx. Integration of sec square 3x plus 1 is what? Tan 3x plus 1 divided by 3 minus integration of dx is what? X plus c. So these are the solutions. In this way, we have to solve the integration of tan square. Next problem, evaluate integration of cot square x. There is no formula for integration of cot square x. It can be again using the trigonometric identities. Cosec square x minus 1 dx. And this one is also what? Cosec square integration of cosec square 2x minus 1 dx. Yes. Next, this one is integration of cosec square 2x minus 1 dx. Yes. Now integration of cosec square x dx minus 1 into dx is what? Dx. Integration of cosec square x is what? Minus cot x. Minus cot x minus integration of dx is what? X plus c. Yes. Now same here, integration of cosec square 2x dx minus 1 into dx is what? Dx. Integration of cosec square 2x is what? Minus cot 2x divided by 2 minus dx means what? X plus c. Again this one, integration of cosec square 2x minus 1 dx minus 1 into dx is what? Dx. Then this one is what? Minus cot 2x minus 1 divided by 2 minus integration of dx is what? X plus c. Next problem, evaluate or find the integral of what? Sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So it is very simple. We are using these three formulas in this problem. Sin x is equal to what? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x is written as what? 2 cos square x by 2. See, it's simple. What I am doing here, I am writing this sin x. This sin x was 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole bracket square. This is sin square. Yes. And 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Yes. Now after this 2 square, this here, this square and this square. The square is common here. 2 square means what? 4. The square of 2 is what? 4. Sin square x by 2, cos square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. This 2 ones are 2 twos are cancel. Yes, cos square x by 2 cos square x by 2 cancel. Then what is remaining? 2 sin square x by 2 dx. 2 sin square x by 2 is what? 1 minus cos x. Integration of what? 1 minus cos x dx. This one. Now integration of 1 into dx is what? X minus integration of cos is what? Sin x plus c. Problem is over. Sin x plus c. Next, find the integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. See here we know that cos 2x is written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2 alpha can be written 2 cos square alpha minus 1. See here, it's very simple. 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by cos x. Yes, cos x minus cos alpha dx. Yes, in the first step we are using the what? Cos 2x is what? 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2 alpha can be written 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Then 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus into minus plus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now plus 1 minus 1 get cancel here. This plus 1 and minus 1 get cancel. Yes, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Now what is common here? 2 is common. Take 2 common. Integration of cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Here this 2 and this 2 I am writing outside. Yes. Next, we know that a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. Now this is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b, that is 2 into integration of cos x minus cos alpha a minus b cos x plus cos alpha, that is a plus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square, that is cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx. Now this, see here, cos x cos alpha and cos x cos alpha get cos x minus cos alpha get cancel. Now next step I am writing here, that is 2 into integration of cos x dx. Yes, minus this one plus integration of cos 2 alpha dx. Cos 2 alpha dx. Here 2 integration of cos x is what? Sin x plus 2 is cos 2x. Yes, cos x. This is cos alpha, sorry. Make it correction, cos alpha dx. Now this one is cos alpha is constant. Keep cos alpha as it is. Cos alpha as it is because it is a constant. Integration of dx is what? X plus c. Plus c. This question is already asked in the exam, annual exam, for 3 marks or 2 marks also. Yes, so it is very important problem. Next problem, integration of cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin 2x dx. Here instead of 1 we are writing what? Sin square x plus cos square x. Instead of sin 2x we are writing the formula 2 sin x cos x. Yes, now write here cos x minus sin x as it is. Solution of the first step as it is. 1 can written sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x dx. Yes, 2 sin x cos x dx. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Cos x minus sin x divided by a means what here? Sin x plus cos x bracket square dx. See here, this is the derivative and this is the function. By taking what? Substitution method. By what? Substitution method. Put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Sin x plus cos x is equal to what? T. Now differentiate with respect to x, with respect to t. Derivative of sin cos x, derivative of cos minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Now I am writing here this one minus sin x and minus cos x dx is equal to what? Dt. By taking minus sign common and reversing the what terms. Yes. Now dx is equal to dt divided by minus sin x minus cos x. Now come to here. This one is what? Cos x minus sin x divided by, instead of sin x plus cos x is what? T. That is t square. Dx means what? dt divided by minus sin x minus cos x. Yes. So cos x, sin x minus cos x get cancelled. So this term get cancelled. Take this minus sign outside. Yes. Minus sign is what? Outside. Now take t to the numerator. That is what? T raised to minus 2 dt. T raised to minus 2 dt. Then minus integration of t raised to minus 2 is what? T raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. Then this minus into minus is what? Plus. That is equal to 1 by t plus c. What is the value of t? 1 by t means what? Sin x plus cos x plus c. That is 1 divided by sin x plus cos x plus c. Next problem. Evaluate integration of tan cube 2x sec 2x dx. So tan cube 2x can be written tan square 2x into tan x, tan 2x into what? Sec 2x dx. This one tan square 2x and tan 2x. Now we know that the formula of tan square x is what? Sec square x minus 1. Again this step we are writing in terms of the formula sec square 2x minus 1 into tan 2x sec 2x dx. Yes. Now the next, see here, sec square x into this. Yes, we are multiplying. Integration of what? Sec square 2x tan 2x sec 2x dx. First term is over. Now this minus 1 into this. Minus 1 into this, that is minus integration of sec 2x tan 2x. I am writing sec first. 1 into sec 2x, 1 into tan 2x, tan 2x. Yes. For this one, what is the derivative of tan? Sec square x. Take tan 2x is equal to t, I think. Yes. Take sec 2x is equal to t. Sec 2x is equal to what? T. For this one. For this integral. Here the two integrals are there. This one and this one. This one is directly solved. Integration of sec x into tan x. Integration of sec x into tan x. Sec x. Sec 2x divided by 2. Yes. The integration of this one. Sec x into tan x is nothing but sec x. But the coefficient of x is what here? 2 divided by 2. To evaluate this integral, we are using the what? Substitution method. So what substitution we have to take? I am writing the substitution here. Here I am writing the substitution here. Put sec 2x is equal to t. Put sec 2x is equal to t. Derivative of sec x into tan 2x into 2 dx is equal to what? Dt. Yes, dx is equal to what? Dt. Now dx is equal to dt divided by 2 into sec 2x tan 2x. This substitution we are using to integrate this one. See here this one integration of integration of sec square to sec means what? T. That is what? T square. Yes. Tan 2x as it is. Tan 2x as it is, and sec 2x as it is. This one is what? As it is I am writing here. That is tan 2x sec 2x. Dx means what? I am writing instead of dx this one. Dx means what? Dt divided by sec 2x 2 into sec 2x tan 2x. This one and this one get cancelled. Yes, this is plus c here because it is already integrated. Yes. Now take 2 outside here. 1 by 2 integration of t square dt minus sec 2x divided by 2 plus c. Integration of t square is what? T cube by 3. T cube by 3 minus sec 2x divided by 2 plus c. What is the value of t? T means what? Sec 2x. That is sec 1 by 2 sec cube 2x divided by 3 minus sec 2x divided by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. This is the what? Final answer. Write it. Next, integration of tan raised to 4x. Tan raised to 4x can be written tan square x into tan square x. Yes, dx. Yes, tan square x into tan square x. उसके बाद में क्या? Yes, after this sec square x minus 1. Write one term. This one sec square x minus 1. This one tan square x as it is. dx. Yes. एक कौन सा भी ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? sec square x minus 1 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then after that multiplying with your tan square x. Yes. See here. Sec square x into tan square x dx minus 1 into tan square x dx. Tan square x dx. Next again this one easily integrable. This one minus here sec square x minus 1 dx. This one. Yes. To integrate this one we have to take tan x is equal to t. Again substitution method. To integrate this integral we have to take the what? Substitution. We have to take the word substitution. To integrate this one, we have to take the substitution tan x is equal to what? T. I am writing here substitution. Put tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t. Derivative of tan, differentiate with respect to t. With respect to t, derivative of tan is what? Sec square x dx is equal to what? Dt. Now dx is equal to what? Dt by sec square x. Dt by sec square x. Now come to here. This one sec square x as it is. Tan means what? T. That is t square. Dx means what? Dt by sec square x. Sec square x cancel. Yes. Now integration of what? T square dt minus integration of sec square x dx minus into minus is what? Plus 1 into dx is what? Dx. 1 into dx is what? Dx. A minus sign into sec square x minus into minus is what? Plus. Integration of t square is nothing but t cube by 3 plus minus integration of sec square is what? Tan x plus integration of dx is what? X plus c. What is the value of t? Tan x. That is tan x bracket cube divided by 3 minus tan x plus x plus c. So this is the what? Final answer. Next question. Evaluate sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. Then this one cos 2x 2 sin square x divided by cos square x dx. See here this one. This is common for both the terms sin cube and cos cube. Separate the term here. Sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. This is what here sin square x cancel, here sin x remains, here cos square x cancel, cos x remains. Here sin x divided by cos square can be written cos x into cos x, cos x into cos x dx plus cos x as it is. This sin square x can be written sin x into sin x. Yes. This is what here coefficient of sin is what 1. 1 by cos is what sec x. Sin by cos is what tan x dx plus 1 by sin cosec x. Cos by sin cot x dx. Integration of sec x into tan x is what sec x. Integration of cosec x into cot x is what minus cosec x. Minus cosec x plus c. Now sec x plus into minus minus cosec x plus c. Cosec x plus c. Now what is the formula of 2 sin square x? 2 sin square x is what? 1 minus cos 2x by 2. No. 1 minus cos 2x. See here this one. Formula we are using here cos 2x plus 1 minus cos 2x divided by cos square x dx. This cos 2x cancel. 1 by cos square is nothing but sec square x dx. Integration of sec square is what? Tan x plus c. Integration of sec square is what? Tan x plus c. Next problem, that is integrate 1 by sin x into cos cube x dx. For to evaluate this integral, we are dividing and multiply by what? Cos x in the denominator. See here, what I am doing here, 1 by sin x into cos cube x into cos x divided by what? Cos x. Yes, in the denominator what I am doing, multiplying and dividing by what? Cos x dx. That is 1 by, see here, sin by cos is what? Tan x. Yes, cos cube into cos raised to what? 4x dx. Yes, take a cos into the numerator, it will become what? Sec raised to 4. 1 by cos raised to 4 is nothing but sec raised to 4x divided by tan x dx. Now tell me further how to solve this one. What substitution we have to take here? Now sec raised to 4x can be written sec square x into sec square x. Sec raised to 4x can be done sec square x into sec square x divided by tan x. Now sec square x can be written 1 plus tan square x, sec square x. Any one sec square here. Yes, take this one. Instead of this, I am writing 1 plus tan square x into sec square x divided by tan x dx. Now take substitution tan x is equal to t. Put tan x is equal to t for this one. You will get the what? Answer. Put tan x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of tan sec square x dx is equal to what? Dt. Now dx is equal to dt by sec square x. Now come to here. Yes. Now 1 as it is, tan means what? T. 1 plus t square. This is sec square x as it is divided by tan x means what? T. Dx means what? Dt by sec square x. Cancel. Yes. Now this one 1 by t dt. Separate the two terms. T square by t dt. Yes. 1 by t means what? This t, 1t cancel. 1 by t means what? Log t. Plus integration of t means what? T square by 2 plus c. What is the value of t? Log of tan x plus tan x bracket square divided by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integrate cos 2x divided by sin x plus cos x bracket square. Now keep cos 2x as it is first. A plus b whole square sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x dx. Yes, now sin square x plus cos square x can written 1, cos 2x as it is 1 plus 2 sin x cos x is what? Sin x. 2 sin x cos x is what? Sin x. Now take substitution. Yes, cos 2x sin 2x. So it is sin 2x. This one is what? Sin 2x. Yes, put sin 2x 1 plus sin 2x is equal to t. Derivative differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of sin minus cos 2x into dx is equal to, derivative sign is what? Cos, sorry. Dx is equal to dt by into 2 cos 2x. Now come to here, cos 2x divided by t dt by 2 cos 2x. Cancel. Now take 1 by 2 dt by t. Dt by t is nothing but log t. Dt by t is what? Log t plus c. Then 1 by 2 log. What is the value of t? 1 plus sin 2x plus c. This is the final answer. Yes, and the last problem, evaluate e raised to x 1 plus x 28th e raised to x 1 plus x cos square 1 plus x cos square e raised to x into x dx. Yes. Now put e raised to x into x is equal to what? T. Substitution method it is. Put e raised to x into x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. E raised to x as it is, derivative of x is what? 1 plus x as it is, e raised to x is what? E raised to x dx is equal to what? Dt. Product rule we are applying. First function e raised to x as it is, x derivative is what? 1 plus x as it is, e raised to x as it is, derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x. Now dx is equal to what? Dt. Now e raised to x is common here. E raised to x is common. 1 plus x dx is equal to what? Dt. Now dx is equal to dt divided by e raised to x into 1 plus x. Now this one e raised to x 1 plus x as it is divided by cos square t. Cos square t divided by what? Cos square t. Yes, dx means what? Dt divided by what? E raised to x into 1 plus x. So this term get cancelled. 1 by cos square is what? Sec square t. 1 by cos square is what? Sec square t. Integration of sec square is what? Tan t plus c. Tan, what is the value of t? E raised to x into x plus c. So this completes the what? Integration by using trigonometric identities. We cover in the what? 4 videos, integration by substitution method and integration by what? In using trigonometric identities. Keep on watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. And in the next video, we are going to solve the what? Integration by parts method and integrals of the form e raised to x f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to what? E raised to x f of x plus c. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.